How are you today? It's a beautiful, beautiful, beautiful weather out. And today we're bringing you one of our specials, which is to show you, walk you through how we made one of our own bespoke pieces. We call this piece Montana. Montana is a male vest. Yeah, of course, if you like as a girl, you can wear this. But yeah, it's a vest that's got buttons, a sleeveless vest, collared, and it's got buttons down the front. Okay, so I'm going to be talking us through how we made this in a bit. But right now, are you new here? You should totally go subscribe to our channel. On a weekly basis, we bring you brand new videos. Yeah, we inspire you on all of the possibilities of crochet. We walk you through how we made one of our own bespoke pieces. We demystify what one celebrity or another wore, or we bring back to life something done from a ways away, something vintage, something retro. Yeah, we do all that. We create patterns, we modify patterns, we talk patterns, we draw graphs, we everything crochet you can find with us and on this channel. Now, if there's anything I haven't mentioned yet and you'd like for us to add it to that list, that playlist, do let us know. Now we have a galleries up on Instagram for wedding day apparel. You can find those at Makisode Weddings, and then for everyday apparel, work clothes, casual clothes, accessories, and the likes, you can find those at Makisode Models. Do well to follow, do well to like, do well to leave a nice comment, and do well to share our content, especially that share our content with your friends, share with your family, and yeah, you'd be glad you did. And then also yeah, watch our other videos. Yep, watch our other videos. Okay, so yeah, back to Montana. So what did we do here? This vest is it has a lot of moving parts, but I'm gonna break it down really easy for you to get, for us to get. So we started with the back, right? We started with the back panel, yeah, which is a square. We worked this square in solid stitches. This is a double crochet stitches. We used the 4 millimeter hook size, yeah, and then we just walked a square. The square is going to be as wide as the individual shoulder, maybe minus 2 inches, 1 inch this way, 1 inch that way. So let's say you were making this for an adult, and an adult has about I think 16 to 18 inches for a shoulder. So you're going to walk this square to be an 18-inch wide square. So 18 inches here, 18 inches here, 18 inches here, and 18 inches here, or 16 as the case may be, so that you make room for this armhole. So when that was done, yeah, the next thing we did was to continue the squares. However, in this time around, after creating that square, note what length the armhole is. So let's say this armhole is about 7 inches, right? 7 inches deep, right? You're going to be marking where your 7 inch stops, mark where your 7 inch stops, and then continue the square as shown, as in continue walking, meaning you insert your hook right here, walk around, come back around, walk around, come back around. Yes, you do that first of all, and you do that until you have achieved the required length. Yes, you've achieved required length for the back, because it's possible that the length for the back, by the time you're done with the required length for the back, you would not have achieved the length of the flap. Okay, now we did this in a lot of colors. So like I said, armhole depth, yeah, and then insert your hook, walk around, walk around until you have achieved this length. So if this length was supposed to be like a, let's say 18, yeah, I've already worked with 18, so let's say it was supposed to be a 26 inches long, yeah, the whole back length. Once you have achieved that, minus whatever number of inches you want to use for the basing, you stop there, and then flip your work and continue working for the rest of the garment. So let me show you what that looks like really quickly, because I inserted the still photos at the beginning of the video. I don't know if that was clear to you. So yeah, the square was done as at this point. Okay, as at this point we were done. Yeah, that square was done right there, the light blue. So we now started with the colors right here, starting with the colors right here. Okay, that's when we went around in royal blue, then we did it in brown, and then we did it in royal blue again, and then finally one row of blue. By the time we had done this one row of blue, you went back around all the way to the that armhole point. We realized that we have exhausted the length we need for the back. So what we now did was we now continued. We walked, you know, to extend this. We had to walk up, walk up this way and then walk up that way. Okay, yeah. So that was the first thing we did to achieve the body. That's the body. When we're done with that, of course, realize that this other part is still blank since you've walked up everywhere under the arm. The upper part of the arm wasn't walked yet, so you insert your hook as usual and walk up the shoulders. Yeah, I inserted a video on how to create this perfect. I sewed this down for how to create this perfect V here that allows for the neckline, this collar to sit really nicely. That video, I will insert the link so that you can watch how to walk these panels right up. So we walk the panels up, right? And then did our edging. Just join up, of course. First of all, you join up the shoulders, the front to the back, right, making room for this neckline right here, depending on what that measurement is. Yeah, depending on what this measurement is. Yeah, you make that room, then join up at the shoulders, edge the armhole. Okay, yeah, then of course the flap for the buttonhole. I'm going to insert a link to a video showing teaching how to create a perfect buttonhole flap. It's there, it's on our channel already, so I'll just insert the link. Right, we did that, and before we now edge the lower part with a double crochet, front post, back post, double crochet style. Same thing we did right here. Okay, and then inserted buttons. Okay, so yeah, right before we came to these tassels, we gave it this Texan Montana look. We worked the collar, right? As usual, you work the collar to achieve this extension. You add a stitch in every row. A stitch in every row. You can choose the beginning of the row or the end of the row to add that extra stitch. Then when you're done, satisfied with the width of your collar, you edge all of that. We inserted tassels to give it a real cowboy, to give it that real cowboy look. So that's about it. It's very easy to work. Is there any part of this video that wasn't quite clear to you? Do let us know in the comments, and we'll do our best to make something, maybe, or do a little bit more as explicit explanation. But this isn't hard. The square first, the back square first, and then you walk diagonally to extend the length of the back, and then you walk just horizontal to extend the length of the front before you walk up, the top flaps, right? And then insert all these other, the collars, the edging, the tassels, the lower edging, buttonhole, and buttons. That's about it. So yeah, again, if you enjoyed watching this, you'd love to own one of these, but you do not know how to make it, do let us know also, and we will do it for you for a token. Yes, we definitely will do it for you for a token. And there are other videos you'd like to see, do also let us know. Our comment section is open. We respond to every message you send. Thank you so much for watching, and bye for